Hello everyone, welcome to the CloudLearn AWS Zero to Hero series. In this video, we are going to learn about AWS Free Tier account and what are the features we will get and how to create the free tier account. These are the things which we are going to cover in this today's video. Everything to be done in the cloud. For that, we need an AWS account. AWS account. And Amazon is offering you a free tier account in which almost like 99% of the services we can do the practicals, we can use without paying the money. But there are some limitations. Means if you exceed this usage, you will be charged. Okay, so what are these free tier account? So here you can go to this URL aws.amazon.com/free. This is the URL in which you can check the contents, like what are the things you will get under free tier account and all. So here under this free tier in Amazon, we have a 200 plus services. So in this free tier is categorized into three parts. One is 12 months free, always free, and free trial. All the services are available under this particular three categories, but your free tier account is free for first 12 months. So here, if you see, there are three types of offers: free trial, 12 months free, and always free. So there are few services which are always free, means you can use those services even after 1 year. Even after 1 year also, you can use those services for free. 12 months free means from the date of your account creation, the services can be used for 12 months. Once you complete 12 months, those services are chargeable even if you use for 1 minute. Free trials. Free trial means they will give you few services are available to trial, like 30 days, 90 days, or 100 hours, or 150 hours, 720 hours, and so on. Now, what are the conditions? Let us say, let me scroll down. You can see all the services here, conditions, and everything. So you can see there is a service called Compute, which is a free tier, 12 months free. But the condition is you can use for 750 hours. You can use 750 hours per month. If you use more than 750 hours, then you will be charged. For practice purpose, 750 hours is more than enough, right? So here, see, Amazon S3, which is a storage service. What it is, 12 months free, but the limitation is 5 GB. Means you can store only 5 GB of data into that particular storage. Whenever you store more than 5 GB, then you will be charged. But during the practicals, while we are learning, hardly we will upload like 10 MB or 20 MB of files. That is more than enough. So all these conditions are enough for us to use the free tier account for learning purpose. If you ask me, what are the services always free? See here, database. There is a database called DynamoDB database service, which is always free. Means even after 12 months completion, you can use this DynamoDB database service free. But the limitation is the database should not exceed 25 GB of storage space. See here, Amazon SageMaker, which is a machine learning tool, which is free for 2 months. When you start using it, from then it is a 2 months free. For every service, when we are learning, we will talk about these free tier limitations so that you will not get charges and all. Okay, so to create the free tier account, what are the requirements? What are the prerequisites? Prerequisites to create the free tier account. The first one is a valid email address. It can be a Gmail or it can be any email address, that doesn't matter. Then you need a mobile number for identity verification purpose. Then you need a debit or a credit card. Debit or credit card. Why? They will verify the payment method. Initially, for Indians, they will charge 2 rupees. They will cut a 2 rupees to verify the payment verification. And don't worry, they will never ever deduct the money from your card automatically. Also, on this particular card, international transactions must be enabled. I mean, at least while you are creating the account, you have to enable it. Once you are done with the account creation, you can disable it. To create the AWS account, you can navigate to the same URL, aws.amazon.com/free, or you can go to aws.amazon.com also, aws.amazon.com/free. And here you can see an option called create a free tier account. There is an option called create a free tier account. Let me click on the create a free tier account. Okay, just clicked on the create a free account. It will take me to the AWS account sign up page where we need to fill out all our details, your name. And if you're, I mean, this account can be created for personal use or for your company purpose, but the process is going to be the same. Okay, so okay, so now let me wait for the email verification code. Okay, it seems I received. I have to enter the verification code here. Okay, so now they verified the email address. Now I need to enter, I need to assign a password. Assign a password, whatever you can feel you can remember, just enter that, assign the password, click on continue. Okay, now here, what is this account for? Are you creating this account for business purpose or a personal purpose? I'm creating this for personal purpose, not for business. So what we have to do, just select the personal. What is the difference between these two are, if you select the business, it will ask you to enter the organization name. If you enter the personal, it won't ask you the organization name. That is the only difference. So here, enter the names and all. Always, I recommend to enter the complete names as per your ID proofs and all. Sometimes Amazon might verify your accounts. Then you have to provide your ID proofs and all. If the name doesn't match, your account will be suspended. So here, you need to provide your contact number. Country, India. Click on continue. If you are creating this account for your company purpose, just select the business. That's the only difference. So here, I need to enter the billing details, by card details and all. Once I enter everything, I need to click on verify and continue. So here also you can select yes or no, that doesn't matter. That is for tax purpose and all. If you are creating this for your company, always it is recommended to enter the company's PAN number. So that is for taxation purpose and all the things like GST returns. For all that purpose, they use it. But for your personal thing, just you can set no. Okay. Now, what I do is I will stop the screen share because I'm going to enter my card details and all. Once I enter all the details, I will click on verify and continue. Once it go to the next page, then I will resume the screen share. Okay. Just wait for 2-3 minutes. Let me pause the screen share. Okay. I guess the screen sharing has been paused. Let me enter my card details. Okay, so I clicked on verify and continue. Once it takes to the next page, I will click on resume. Screen sharing will be resume. Okay, so here From my bank, I receive a OTP, and you can see what is the amount over there. It's just 2 rupees, just to verify. And this 2 rupees will be credited back within 48 hours. But almost within few minutes only, you will get that back. No need to worry. 1 second. Okay. 2 rupees will be deducted from that particular card, either debit or credit, whatever you have mentioned. And that amount, once the payment method has been verified, that amount will be reverted back to the same original payment method, to the same card. They will return back the 2 rupees. Okay, just wait, not yet done. We have to complete the identity verification also. Okay, so now here, confirm your identity. Primary purpose of account registration, like you can say personal use, academic, or whatever it is. Academic is just learning purpose, but there is no problem. You can choose anything, that doesn't matter. Ownership type, is it for company or a cooperative company? No, it's like individual, for my individual purpose. And a document type, date of birth, permanent account number, PAN number, and you have to upload this. Now what I do is, let me again, because I'm going to enter my confidential details, right? So I will pass the screen share. Once it is completed, I will again resume the screen share. Earlier, they used to verify the identity with the help of mobile number, with the help of mobile number. Now they added another step, another verification step, which is like what we call that, some ID and all. Okay, now that ID verification done, I upload it. They will validate at the backend. Now we need to verify your identity using the mobile number. Just let me say text message. Majority of the people will do a mistake here. They forget to change the country. And here you need to enter your mobile number and then click on send SMS. To your mobile number, you will receive a code. Okay, 247NGX. This is just verifying that you are a human. Hmm. Okay, ZTF3RC. It seems capitalization matters. Okay, verification code to my mobile. I will receive a code. Yes, I received a 4-digit code. Enter that and click on continue. Okay, now here there are 3 types of supports. We are learning. We are here for to learn, right? Actually, there are 4 business support plans. Being a learner, we will go with the basic support, which is a free of cost. And there are 2 other types: developer support, $29 per month; business support, $100 per month, where they will provide 24/7 technical support over email, phones, and calls. And there is another level support called enterprise. Big companies will go with the enterprise level support. Means there will be a dedicated team for your company who will help with all the new implementations, migrations, providing the architectures, how to do that and all. Everything will be provided by the AWS in the enterprise level support. Okay, let me click on complete sign up. And if you see my email, let me show you my email. I received an email from Google. Customer verification completed successfully. And you can see another email. Welcome to Amazon Web Services. Thank you for creating an Amazon Web Services account. For the next 12 months, you will have free access to all AWS services within the limits of the free tier. Okay, right. So now what happened here with the AWS free tier account? It's done. Congratulations. Now let me click on go to the AWS management console. Just we will see how it looks like and all. Let us say accidentally you closed it, then how to open it and how to log, right? Let me show you. The URL to login is aws.amazon.com. aws.amazon.com. Use that URL. On the top right side, you can see an option called sign into the console. Click on that sign into the console. Okay, so now here, this is how it looks like. So here on the top left side, you can see some icon, right? If you click here, you can see the list of services available on AWS platform. And here, this is the region, Europe, Stockholm. If I want to create a server, okay, in India, especially in the Hyderabad region, then what I have to do, click on this, where is in Hyderabad, Asia Pacific, but there is no Hyderabad, right? But I said Hyderabad is also a region. The reason is by default, all the regions are not enabled for new accounts. You have to manually enable. So here there is no Hyderabad, only Mumbai, right? How to enable? If you see here, there are 15 regions that are not enabled for this account. Click on that. Click on that, and it what it is to enable a region. Click on the manage regions link at the bottom of this drop down, and then the enable link. So if you scroll down, here you can clearly see manage regions. Click on that. It will takes you to the account configurations page where you can enable the required regions. Means you can use those regions to create resources, servers, storage, and all. Okay, so here, if I scroll down, see here, these all are the regions disabled by default. Africa, Cape Town, Asia Pacific, Hong Kong, Hyderabad, right? Let me select that Asia Pacific, Hyderabad. Let me click on enable and click on enable region, which will take a few minutes of time, which is not enabled immediately. What is the status now? Enabling, which might take a few minutes of time. Then that is available over there. Let me go back to the home page. How to go to the home page? Here you can see AWS logo on the top left corner, right? Click on that, be taken to the home page. Now here on the top right corner, you can see your account name, CloudLearn, the one which I have given at the time of account creation. Click on that. This is your account ID. Amazon will assign a unique identification number for every AWS account, which we cannot change it. This is a unique account ID of your AWS account. And you can click on account and you can see the details of your AWS account. This is the account ID, account name, full name, company name, address, contact number, list of regions enabled, disabled, right? Every information about your account you can see. What if you want to delete the AWS account? The same page here, close account. So that the account will be closed. Once you close the account, you can't recreate or reopen the same email ID AWS account. You have to use a different AWS account, right? So any questions? And whenever you have any question, just feel free to reach me on my Telegram or my email ID. I can help you out. Okay, so if you guys are clear, we can stop the session here and you can download the course content from this particular URL.